everyone, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. When you get ready to start singing, how do you know which exercises to do? If you're an ensemble singer, maybe you're accustomed to a director bringing you through various exercises. If you take lessons, your vocal coach may guide you through what they feel like you need that day. Today, I'm going to walk you through a handful of vocal warm-ups and exercises that are the ones I would choose for an everyday set of exercises. Take a moment to align your body with special attention to your head and neck. As you release jaw tension, take a couple of natural breaths, preparing to sing. I recommend starting with some very gentle phonation, often on a semi-occluded sound. So let's try gliding on a lip trill. Here we go. Sticking to a limited range, let's sing on mi, a, ah, like mi, a, ah. This brings an efficient vocal production into a more open vowel with resonance. Here we go. Mi, a, ah, mi, a, ah, mi, Now let's sing on a descending vedo, vedo, ve. Keep the vowels feeling rather neutral. Here we go. Vedo, vedo, ve. Vedo, vedo, ve. Vedo, vedo, ve. Vedo, vedo, ve. Vedo, vedo, Now let's think about engaging the breath as we sing hum 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 hum. Go. now to the feeling of extending the vocal line and creating a consistent feeling of resonance across vowels, we can sing on he, aw, like he, aw, he, aw, he. Go. He, aw, he, aw, he. 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 He, aw, he, aw, Let's work on some smooth and accurate intervals with money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 This next exercise will encourage an efficient and focused sound while we move through the range of a sixth. We will sing viddy, 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 viddy. Keep the jaw movement gentle and relaxed. Here we go. Viddy, 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 viddy. 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 Viddy, 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 I like to make sure to do some range extension every single day. Freeform sirens and glides are a great way to encourage these fast vibrations that are needed in the upper range. You can stick with me or go on your own. Let's finish up with an octave arpeggio. We can sing on V, ah, like V, ah. Here we go. V, ah, V, ah, V, ah, V, ah, It is always great to sing with you. When you simply hit that like button, it supports my channel. So if you could be so kind as to give that like button a tap if you liked the video, I'd be ever so grateful. We'll see you next time. I'm coaxing you off the piano with a stick. It's like a dog. Sorry. Bye.